Melo. Welcome back to the Melo Project Runway for the Youth. And we are going to be going through chapter by chapter of Fashion Design Empowers the Mind. I have fashion design as a background, so should I teach kids fashion designing? But what kind of fashion designing am I going to do? I said, what if I go straight to teaching them to be real fashion designers according to the real world? This is what they would have to do in the industry. What about what the knowledge they have? They have to have the history of fashion. They have to know all the necklines, right? Right? Because you guys don't have patience.
These little lines too.
They're points.
Does this look like Elsa's dress? But without the sleeves.
That's why when I decided to make a system that a 5-year-old can be able to sew and make their own clothes, I had to simplify it.
I love this song. You ready? Oh yeah. I hear
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would wait forever, exalted in the sea, as long as I am with you.
I want to build something that does not exist anywhere else. I was going to combine all my Montessori experience in the past, bring self-confidence, self-worth. I want the music, dancing, and all of those wonderful things that make it exciting to learn. I didn't want this strict, rigid program, especially when they have that already in school. Change education.
Switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little heart you can't shame me when I am with you. There's no place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be.
Okay, back to work. Alright guys, get